Installing a wireless adapter and WLAN Bluetooth module. Align the wireless adapter with the standoffs on the system board, and then lower the wireless adapter until it is firmly seated. Secure the wireless adapter with 3 screws. Connect the WLAN cables and the Bluetooth antenna cable to the wireless adapter. Press the side of the cable holder on the XCC WLAN and Bluetooth module, and then lift up one end of the cable holder from the wireless adapter. Move the cable holder to the unlocked position. Locate the corresponding connector on the wireless adapter. If applicable, remove the protection cover from the cable. Gently press the cable connector down until it clicks into the connector on the WLAN module. Note: repeat the step to connect all the necessary cables to the wireless adapter. Move the cable holder to the locked position. Secure the cables into the cable clips on the wireless adapter, and then route the cables along the corner of the chassis. Locate the slot on the wireless adapter where the WLAN Bluetooth module will be installed. If applicable, remove the dummy cover from the WLAN Bluetooth module slot. If applicable, remove the film from the thermal pad on the wireless adapter. Insert the WLAN Bluetooth module into the slot at an angle. Press the WLAN Bluetooth module down until it clicks into place. Remove the film from the thermal pad on the heatsink. Align the heatsink with the slots on the wireless adapter, and then lower the heatsink until it is firmly seated. Fasten the 2 captive screws to secure the heatsink. Connect the WLAN cables and the Bluetooth antenna cable to the wireless adapter. Move the cable holder to the locked position. If you use the wrench that comes in the PMB air baffle, store the wrench back in the air baffle and secure it with 1 screw. Install the WLAN antennas. Make sure the SMA connectors are fully extended. If necessary, turn the screw between the 2 SMA connectors counterclockwise to extend the SMA connectors. If necessary, place a washer between the antenna and the server, and then turn the antenna clockwise until it is firmly secured to the chassis. Reinstall the processor air baffle. Note: make sure to adjust the processor air baffle according to the configuration. To install the riser assembly on the node, connect the power cable to backplane 1 and then connect the other cables from the riser assembly to the node. Align the front of the riser assembly with the edge of the chassis, and then lower the riser assembly into the node. To secure the riser assembly to the node, fasten the 3 captive screws on the top of the riser assembly. Fasten the 3 screws at the sides of the node. Fasten the 2 thumb screws at the front of the riser assembly. Reinstall the PMB air baffle. Reinstall the top cover. Use the key to lock the node covers.